Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute all participants in a Zoom meeting, step by step. Are you struggling with background noise in your online meetings? Whether you're hosting a class, running a team call, or managing a large group session, too many open microphones can quickly become distracting. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to mute everyone at once in Zoom, so you can keep your meeting clear, focused, and under control. First, make sure you are either the host or a co-host of the meeting. This step is essential because only users with these permissions can mute all participants at the same time. If you don't have access to these controls, you'll need to ask the host to assign you co-host rights before continuing. Once you're inside your meeting, look at the toolbar located at the bottom of your screen. From there, click on the Participants button. This will open a panel on the side of your screen, usually on the right, where you can see a list of everyone currently in the meeting, along with their microphone status.
Now, at the bottom of that Participants panel, you'll find the Mute All option. Click on it. A confirmation window will appear to make sure you want to mute every participant. Go ahead and confirm your choice, and immediately all microphones, except yours, will be turned off. In that same confirmation window, you'll also see an option that allows participants to unmute themselves. This setting is useful depending on how you want to run your meeting. If you're leading a presentation or want full control over who speaks, you can disable that option. If your meeting is more interactive and you want people to jump in when needed, you can leave it enabled. After muting everyone, your microphone will stay active, so you can continue speaking, presenting, or guiding the discussion without interruptions. If someone needs to talk later, you can unmute them manually from the participants list, or allow them to unmute themselves if that option is turned on.
It's always a good idea to let your participants know that you've muted all microphones. You can quickly mention it verbally or send a short message in the chat so everyone understands what's happening and why. If you don't see the Participants button or the Mute All option, double-check that you are assigned as the host or co-host. Also, try maximizing your Zoom window or updating the app to the latest version, since outdated versions can sometimes hide certain features. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can eliminate background noise and keep your Zoom meetings running smoothly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who host online meetings. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials like this.